Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today my project is about how to make this Mother's Day card. So I will show you how to make this beautiful painting and also how to do the decoration. And this is a triple slider card. This is "You are more than a mom" and the second slider says "Happy Mother's Day." So let's start with procedure for how to make this card. For this we need scissor, some half cut golden pearls, liquid glue, tweezer, black color permanent marker, paper cutter, pencil, ruler, hole punch, any color satin ribbon, I am using purple one, some paper flower birds, leaves and flowers. Red, orange, yellow, white and black color, 200 GSM thick cardstock. So first I have printed this beautiful mother child painting on 8 by 8 centimeter white color thick cardstock. I have given the link of the template of this painting in my description box, you can check there. Now I am taking dark blue poster color and applying this color on the card base. If you don't have poster colors, you can also use crayons or pencil colors or acrylic colors, so it's up to you. Now I am taking some crimson red color and merging with blue color. Here I am coloring only in the background because the main mother child painting I want to remain white so that it looks highlighted against the dark background. And at the end I am applying orange color. So let it completely dry for some time. Now it's dry, so I am adding some white color dots using small round brush. So after adding stars, it will look like this. Isn't it looking beautiful? Now I am taking black color cardstock. Here I am using 3 pieces. So big piece is 30 cm by 12 cm. Medium piece measures 27 cm by 9 cm. And small piece measures 8 cm by 8 cm. So first I am taking this big one. And I am marking from left side on 10 cm using my ruler. Make a line on 10 cm. Here I am using the pen which is not working, so I am making a crease. Now fold the cardstock on that crease. Now fold the right hand side part of the cardstock on that crease. So the first flap is ready. Now I am taking medium one. Again I am marking from the left side on 9 cm and creasing that line. Fold that crease like we did before, and after that I will fold the right side flap on that crease line. Second flap is also ready. Now I am taking the big flap again, and on the right side I am marking on 2.5 cm. Similarly I will mark on 2.5 cm on this side. Mark in the bottom also. Join those points So this distance should be 2.5 centimeter. Now rotate your paper and mark here on 1.5 centimeter and on 8 centimeter. Similarly mark here on 1.5 and 8 centimeter. Connect those points. And now I am taking my paper cutter and cutting only this line, that is from 1.5 to 8 centimeter line. Similarly, I will cut the right hand side line. Like this. So the slit is ready. Now I am taking the medium one and on the right side of the panel I am marking on 2 centimeter. Similarly, I will mark on 2 centimeter, make a line. Rotate your paper and mark on 1 centimeter and on 7 centimeter and make a line again. Now again I am taking my X-Acto knife and cutting these slits. So it's done. Now I am taking 2 yellow color strips and just weaving this strip from these slits like this and fold these strips from back side like this. And I will do the same process with the big panel. Weave your strip and fold from the back side. This is little bit extra, so I am cutting it. Now I am applying some double-sided tape on these strips. If you don't have double-sided tape, you can also use normal glue. And also I am adding the tape on left side panels. So pull the strip on bottom side, remove your double-sided tape liner, and I am adding this 8 by 8 centimeter black cardstock on top of this strip like this. Just fold this flap, remove this side double-sided tape liner and connect like this. So the first slider part is done. Now I am taking the bigger one, remove liners and now I am connecting this panel on top of this. So it's connected. Remove this left side panel liner and secure it like this. So the triple slider card is ready. Now we just need to decorate this. Here I am taking some papers. This is You Are More Than a Mom and this measures 7 by 5 centimeter. This is Happy Mother's Day and which measures 8 by 6 centimeter, and the big cardstock measures 9 centimeter by 11 centimeter. I am adding these colored cardstock on top of the black cardstock. So I am starting with smaller one. Apply a little glue and connect with this. Now I am taking the medium one and connecting like this. Now I am taking the biggest one So let it dry. Now I'm taking my painting again. I have added some double-sided tape on back side of this painting and connecting on top of this biggest panel like this. I'm making some small hole using my hole punch and inserting the purple ribbon through this so that we can pull easily. Cut excess ribbon. So the basic card is ready. Now I will decorate the front panel. So here I am using some paper flowers and birds and leaves. So I am connecting leaves first, then birds, then flower. If you don't have paper flowers, so you can also add some quilt flowers, or you can decorate using ready-made foam flowers or anything of your choice. Also, if you want to learn these flowers, I have given link in description box, you can check there. Now I am adding some golden half cut pearls on left and right corners. Similarly, I will attach on upper corner. So the card is ready. So this beautiful Mother's Day card is ready. I am sure your mom will love this handmade card created by you. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and click on the bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.